Back with boys right here doing a video, and today I'm finally gonna be doing this. So.
Been forgotten, Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Said I've been forgotten, Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
So today we're gonna be fresh washing the killer tiller here, and I meant to do this video last week, but unfortunately I didn't have any gas or whatnot here, so I'm gonna do it today. But before we get to that, I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. As you can see, the other day I got the mower stuck and it made a big mud rod right there. Where that wasn't filled with water the other day, but it's kind of getting soggy right here. I think our septic tank's it's kind of getting full, so we're gonna have it pumped. So I'm not gonna video that because it's gross. But yeah, as you see, I mowed the other day and I got stuck right there. But anyway, get into the killer tiller. I get my light to turn on. Here's a good view of it, everything. Now these stickers and stuff, I'll probably take a WD-40 and clean those because I don't want to risk blowing the stickers off, especially this one because you see it's kind of thin right here. But okay, so I'm gonna throw y'all back in the tripod, get the pressure washer started, and get to cleaning. Okay, so there we go. We got it all clean and pressure washed. Unfortunately, I forgot about the sticker here and it blew part of it off, but I'll see if I can just tape that back on. I don't think it'll be that hard, because luckily it didn't chop the sticker up into a bunch of pieces. It just came off one big sheet. So this one it messed up a tad bit, but I did go around it. But I'm gonna, once I blow this all the water off this thing, let it dry, I'm gonna take some WD-40 and just kind of clean this one. But I'm gonna put you on my handheld thing, give y'all a good walk around. Well, before I do that, I'm gonna take my blower and blow it off. It's gonna blow all this water off of it. So stay tuned. Actually some pretty sticky stuff, that's why I used it. And it's got a good trip down memory lane, 'cause I remember using that stuff when I was in elementary school. And I had to use a Q-tip because the tip's got something clogged in it, won't come out. But so I'm going to add some more where it's not sticking good right here. I'm going to add as much as I can to make sure it stays on. Like I said, luckily, you know, it didn't just shred all apart into pieces. Like I said, I'm missing a few, but you know, it happens. And this one, it messed up here on the top a little bit too. And I took some WD-40 and wiped that one down and cleaned it a little bit. But see, this thing did clean up pretty good though. But the only thing is a sticker, you know. But yeah, but you know, mistakes happen. But so if y'all like this video and you want to see more like it, you know, give me a thumbs up. It help me out a lot. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. You know, to the Backwoods Boys Garage. See y'all next video.